Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Twilio to WhatsApp messaging in Python, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Twilio to WhatsApp messaging in Python, start by signing up for a Twilio account if you haven't already. Once your account is created, navigate to the Twilio console. Next, find the WhatsApp section under the messaging menu. Follow the instructions to activate your WhatsApp sandbox. After activating your sandbox, take note of the provided sandbox number. Now, move on to your development environment. Ensure you have Python installed on your machine. If not, download and install Python from the official website. Next, install the Twilio library using pip. You can do this by running the command pip install Twilio in your terminal. Once the installation is complete, open your preferred code editor. Begin by importing the Twilio client in your Python script. Use the following import statement from twilio.rest import client. Now, you will need your Twilio account SID and auth token. You can find these values in your Twilio console dashboard. Store these values in variables for easy access. Next, create an instance of the Twilio client using your account SID and auth token. Now you're ready to craft your WhatsApp message. Specify the sender as the WhatsApp sandbox number. Format this as WhatsApp +1 4155238886. Replace this number with the appropriate sandbox number you noted earlier. For the recipient, use your personal WhatsApp number, formatted with WhatsApp. Add the message body that you want to send. Call the client.messages.create method to send the message. Pass in the sender, recipient, and message body as parameters. After running the script, check your WhatsApp for the incoming message. If you received the message, you've successfully connected Twilio to WhatsApp messaging using Python. For troubleshooting, verify that you have activated your sandbox properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.